Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you are facing Instagram keeps logging out problem, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to fix Instagram keeps logging you out problem. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this. First of all, open Instagram app from your mobile phone. Click on the profile icon in the right bottom. Now click on three lines at top right. Here you have to choose settings, and now you have to choose help, and now you have to choose report a problem, and again click on report a problem. Here you can describe your problem. You can write here, my account is having problem with being logged out in every time. Please help me to fix this because this account is very important for me. You can also attach a screenshot here. Click on next and choose send report option and click on close. After this, your problem will be resolved within a week. This is the easy and simple way to fix Instagram keeps logging you out problem. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.